content is the richest tool which you can Everybody says you need money to start a business. But if this was the real reason, then every rich person would be successful. The truth is, most successful brands in this era of AI uses just an idea, a phone, and consistent efforts. Hi, welcome to Kesha Talks episode number 1. Actions. So start with action. Episode of building brand from scratch. No investors, no office, no big teams. Just you and your consistent efforts. Vision, strategy, and execution will give you the real game. This entire video is divided into 5 parts. So we'll discuss these 5 layers part by part. Most people spend years of preparing. Like, when I'll be perfect, I'll start. When I'll be having the money, then I'll start. When people will support me, then I'll start. Perfection will never come. Because business doesn't rewards perfection. Business rewards to the actions you are performing. So don't wait for the perfection. Just start with whatever free things you have. Like in this generation, we have several different things which we can use to start your journey. Like if you want to start your content creation journey, then you have several different tools. VN, Edits, Perplexity, Canva, Gemini, and ChatGPT, and many more. The list will go beyond. I'm pasting some of the several different things over here. Most powerful tool that you have is your phone, which you can use to become a creator. Don't be just a consumer which is consuming from Instagram, from Reels, from YouTube Shorts, from any of the thing. Become a creator, become a builder. Don't just a consumer. Don't be just a part of audience. Become leader. Get that quality in yourself and start building. What are you waiting for? You have your phone. Take it, take your phone, open the camera and shoot your first video. Hi, my name is Prati Yadav and I am starting content creation journey from today. So please support me and I am just starting this. Thank you so much for watching. Keep subscribing. This was simple. Just post. Post with whatever face you have. Post with whatever phone you have. Don't wait कि मेरे पास जब iPhone आएगा तब मैं start करेंगे. Don't wait for that. Just start with whatever you have. What you actually need to start. Now let's talk about it. This is going to be part 2. You don't need lakhs of rupees to start or to invest. You just need a skill, a product idea, or the ability to solve a problem. That's it. You can resell products, build your personal brand, start reselling the products, start drop shipping, or you can sell the digital products, or creating a brand slowly with the investments from these kind of things. Like if you have done any of the drop shipping part, okay, or you resell the products, so the money which is coming from that, you can use it in the brand which you are making slowly. By using it, one day after years of making it, it will be a huge brand. So big companies doesn't start with the big product. They start with small. So when you start with a small, you will not have that much pressure on yourself कि अब तो मैंने लोन ले लिया है और अब मुझे किश्त पे पैसे भी देने हैं. So don't do that क्योंकि आप already start कर रहे हो, so you will be having loss and loss. Your graph will increase in downward manner, not in upward manner. So your decrease actually, your graph will decrease. So it will get you to loss and loss. So don't do that. So like you start with drop shipping. Okay. So I have done like drop shipping, or I have done reselling of some of the products. I get like 20,000. So I'll put that money into my brand, which I am growing slowly. I'll put that money in that brand, and after years of putting it, investing it, when I'll get like 50,000 or 80,000 or 90,000 or 2 lakh, likewise I'll invest in that product which I'm starting slowly, which I'm building slowly. So when it will become just the brand, just the huge brand, then I'll start like advertising it and selling it. Okay, so that brand, that small brand will become the big brand, and brand means brand, a name already showing that. So in that way, your strategies will work, but don't just start with a very big thing that will get you in debt, but start. So part 3 is build attention first. What does it mean? What if nobody knows you? Who will buy from you? If no one is knowing you, that who you are, what you are selling, how will you sell them the product? So the first thing is to build the attention, to build the place, to make the place, right? So first of all, build your audience. This is what I'm doing. The first version only need to exist. 4 is your first brand don't require the perfection. Like it doesn't require the perfect structure, perfect logo, perfect color grading, perfect creation. Your first brand, your first startup, your first work should be the learning for yourself. And you don't need to be disheartened by losing it. Like you should use it as a learning. Don't use it to demotivate yourself. खुद को demotivate नहीं करना है. Like I am not growing, my views are not coming, my likes are not coming, people are not connecting with me. Don't do that. Don't dishearten yourself, because this is the first product, right? This is the first imperfection that you are taking in action. So don't dishearten yourself. Take it as a learning. Take it as the roadmap which you are making towards the success. Someone has said failure is the part of the success. Maybe that's true. You can learn from this. This path is going to quite tough, quite thoda thoda, but not going to be just the thing. Now part 5 is real mindset shift. Ask yourself, what if I never started? Don't ask yourself, what if I fail? What will happen? अगर मैं फेल हो गई तो क्या होगा? ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग मुझ पे हंसेंगे, ज्यादा से ज्यादा मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स जितने हैं 12-13 उससे भी और भी कम हो जाएंगे, ज्यादा से ज्यादा मेरे पास एक भी कमेंट नहीं आएगा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, मेरे घर वाले मुझसे कहेंगे तुम जो भी कर रही थी वो सब खराब था, सिर्फ गलत चीजें कर रही थी, कुछ नहीं होने वाला इससे, ये सब कह लेंगे. क्या एक कान से सुनेंगे, एक कान से निकाल देंगे. विद इन द प्रोसेस, what you are learning, you are learning to improve your communication skills. What you are learning with the content creation, like I'm talking to you, what I'm learning is to connect with the camera, to speak confidently. This whatever I'm saying, whatever I'm talking is soothing my language frequency. Like my English fluency is getting better day by day. If I'll be consistent, one day I'll be like very fluent in this language. This is what I'm getting. And right now in this era, everyone is like, सबको इंग्लिश बोलनी है, सबको एक टैबू है एक तरीके का कि जिसको इंग्लिश नहीं आती वो तो अनपढ़ है. This taboo is there in the country of India. Most of the time I have heard this, like जिसको इंग्लिश नहीं आती भाई वो तो कुछ कर नहीं सकता, whatever. I can use that taboo. मैं या तो मैं कोई एजेंसी चला दूंगी, मैं कोई कोचिंग सेंटर खोल सकती है जिसमें मैं इंग्लिश सिखाने लगूंगी. अगर मैंने लेट सपोज मैंने कंटेंट क्रिएशन से मेरा बिजनेस जो मैं ब्रांड स्टार्ट करी वो नहीं चला, whatever, लाइक तो जो चीज़ें मैं सीख रही, मैं कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स पे मैं क्लासेस स्टार्ट कर सकती, मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ाना स्टार्ट कर सकती स्कूल्स में. आई कैन स्टार्ट विद द कोचिंग सेंटर्स, कोचिंग ट्यूशंस, मैं क्लासेस ले सकती, मैं इंस्टीट्यूशन बना सकती, मैं कोई ऐप बना सकती. अब तो ड्यूलिंगो जैसे ऐप्स है जो इंग्लिश से लेके बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस सिखाते हैं. आई एम लर्निंग फ्रेंच राइट नाउ इन दीज डेज. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, समथिंग इज कमिंग राइट नाउ. अगर मैंने स्टार्ट ही नहीं किया होता तो कुछ भी होता नहीं होता, बट आई हैड स्टार्टेड राइट. So that starting was the actual trigger, the trigger which was actually needed in the life. Take the risk. This is not the big risk of life. मर नहीं जाओगे भाई नहीं करोगे तो, right? Sorry for the language, but start with. कोई तुम्हारी बेइज्जती कर देगा तो कह देगा तो वो बहुत बड़ा नहीं हो जाएगा, right? So start with whatever you have, whatever thing. Change your mindset. This is very much required. Shift your mindset फ्रॉम द पार्ट ऑफ कि कुछ नहीं हुआ तो कुछ नहीं हुआ तो कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखा ही है तुमने, राइट? कुछ हो जाएगा, क्या पता कुछ हो जाए. अगर नहीं किया तो कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला, ये तो गारंटीड है. इफ यू हैवंट स्टार्टेड कुछ नहीं होगा, बट इफ यू हैव स्टार्टेड शायद कुछ हो जाए, शायद दैट In that hope, you can start. So change your mindset first of all. Because perfection doesn't create success, consistency does. Because सबने सुना हुआ है this quote that consistency is the key to success. So be consistent, be imperfect, but don't be inconsistent. If you go inconsistent, this is sure that you are not going to be successful. But if you become the consistent person, one day there is a surety that you will become successful. Every consistent, imperfect step every day you are making will get you to the real path of the success. We have learned about different several kinds of things, but whatever mota mota idea is just to start with whatever you have. कोई गिला शिकवा नहीं, कोई गिल्ट नहीं होगा बाद में. Today just start. Mark my word. Mark my word. Yeah, mark my word. Just start with today, with whatever fluency you have, with whatever camera you have, with whatever things you have in your home. अगर देखो ऑडियो क्वालिटी का नहीं हो रहा है तो मेरे को एक बहुत अच्छा आइडिया पता है. रात में शूट करो 12 बजे से लेके 4 बजे तक. Like insane. You'll get like best audio quality ever. From now, you can either still sit dreaming for your goal, or you have